Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are making the Kentucky Lemonade. Thanks, Steve, for the recommendation. All right, are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, let's gather these ingredients. Bourbon, I have here bullet, lemonade, triple sec, Sprite, and a lemon. 5 items. Now it's time for our tools. Let's go grab ice, a shaker, a highball glass, a jigger, and a knife. First up, let's cut our lemon. We're cutting a wheel for the garnish. Set the lemons aside. Grab your lemonade. Pour 4 ounces of lemonade juice into the shaker. Now grab your triple sec. Pour half an ounce of triple sec into the shaker. It's alcohol time. Pour 1.5 ounces of bourbon into the drink. Add ice, close the lid, and shake your drink. Next, add ice into your highball glass. I actually added crushed ice on mine, but you can add ice cubes if you want. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to pour our drink. Grab your Sprite, open the can. What you could do is you could actually top this with a splash of Sprite, or you can use a jigger and pour half an ounce and then top it off. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, a Kentucky lemonade. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.